As soon as you have created an account, you can use our service and start uploading your overdue undisputed invoices. Just click on the Login button, enter the username and password you have just created, and this will take you to your dashboard. Click on the Create Case button at the top of the page, and click the Input Unpaid Debts via Wizard button at the top of this page. Stage 1 is to tell us about your debtor, and before filling in any information on our online form, we suggest that you first read the guidance notes at the top of each page. Select the type of business from the drop-down menu which best describes your debtor. So here, I'll select Private Company. Then enter the full legal name of your debtor. It is really important that this information is completely accurate. For example, if you are entering the name of a limited company, we need to know if the legal name incorporates the word limited or whether it is abbreviated to LTD. Then enter the debtor's registration number. And finally, a list of company directors or partners if you have this information. Then click Next. Now you can enter the contact details of the person you dealt with or are dealing with at the debtor business. Enter their first name, surname, landline and mobile numbers, and their email address. Click Next. Now enter the debtor's address. And click Next. In the first field, select I am the claimant. The jurisdiction is Great Britain. Specify the currency of your unpaid invoice. If there is a court judgment in respect of this invoice already, check the box. If not, leave it unchecked. Then, provide us some background to the case. For example, what goods or services you supplied, how they were supplied, your customer's response so far, and what you have done to try and recover the money. Then click Next. Now you can upload the undisputed invoices that you are chasing. In the first box, enter the value of the unpaid invoice. If part of the invoice has been paid, then just enter the unpaid amount in this box. If your contract with your customer specifies an interest rate applicable to overdue invoices, enter it here. If not, leave this box blank. Now, enter the date the overdue invoice was issued, and the date that payment was due. Then, enter the number of the invoice you are chasing. Finally, upload a copy of the invoice. If there is more than one invoice relating to this case, click Add Invoice and upload any additional invoices. Then click Next. Now fill in your bank details so we know where to send the money that we recover. And click Next. Here you see a summary of your case. Check that all the details are correct. If you need to change anything, you can navigate back using the previous buttons at the bottom of each page. When you are happy that everything is correct, click Next and go to the confirmation page. If you are authorized by your company to instruct Caresso Law to proceed, select Authorized Person I am signing from the drop-down menu. View our terms and conditions. Tick the confirmation box at the base of the page, and sign in the box using a touchscreen or mouse, or type your name in the box underneath. If you are not authorized to instruct Caresso Law to proceed, simply select the Unauthorized to Sign option from the drop-down menu and enter the email address of the authorized signatory in the box below. Our system will automatically send them an email which contains a link to this page, so they can give us their authorization. Once you have completed this page, click Save. Your case has been created, and you will be directed to your dashboard. If you click on Home under the Activities menu, you can get to your home screen to see an overview of your cases. From this point on, Caresso Law will keep you informed by email at every stage of the case, and to request further information should we need it.